siriwali lyo lulangira muwalandi wa bulijjo wabula nkusuubiza omukwano gonga gwa fujjo nga bwe tuba mu kisenge muwaleebeera ntujjo batuko tulaba bakayita katijjo nga nze naawe bebi tubanga mumbwa ku lujjo nja kuwembejja obenga mumbeja kinaaba kisobose muwala ogenda kugejja kuba nkusuubiza togenda kuba na mukyala mujja bwetyo laavu yaffe kungwe almighty ja
Nkole Media niyo yonka yokushanga ebirungi nk'ebyo sekwati Nkole Media vira
Ankole Media TV, thank you so much for watching. Kishuka kutusubscribing zaka button kitu haria otworeke rukundo nkabutosha amazina nibanyeta Joan. Nataya isomjenyi nani other than Prizo hati nakungambira oba nirwizina ninga nakoze sizina ritaheria nama Prizo nirwizina rinamuhereza kanyo nakwakira. Thank you so much for coming okwijja Ankole Media TV.
Ninye nakira mwebale ku how do they say hosting?
Kuntaya isa.
Mwebale kuntaya isa Ankole Media TV. A big up on yourself. Kola beno watching Ankole Media TV nintekateka kandi nyine okwichiriza ngu ebintu bakola nibirungi abo kuba nanye tikugira ngo ndi time waster nimpamya they have a lot in package before me and after me. Yeah.
Okay, niyo nakweta Prizo nizina rina kwereza niriyo ningo inizine rindi.
Abantu bingi, by the way you're right. Abantu bingi abamwe banyeta Prizo, abamwe banyeta Prizo, abamwe banyeta Prizo, abamwe banyeta Prizo, but I'm Prizo.
How do you pronounce that?
Prizo.
Prizo, not Prizo.
Nigawa yo Prizo Trust.
Prizo Trust.
Okay. So whatever did I go me no trust.
Okay.
And those are the names that I use on all social media platforms. Prizo Trust. The Prizo is Prizo.
Okay. Prizo no ryo mweshongoze ryo wa gospel ryo wa sachu.
Ari gospel na. Ndio mweshongozi.
Okay.
Ndio mweshongozi orukweshongora ebyeshongoro byona.
Iwe toru honti ne nyeshongore byarhanga ninga neshongore byo mu club
atwa byo mweshongozi think categorizing think specializing kinkubandi aho nareba message eri kungira ngo tweshongore media teams that are being how the situation is around town ningamira anti media yitu from Uganda in a song. Nareba chankwata kujirongo education. I will tell you about education in a song. So I am not categorizing myself or specializing the music in intellect. If it is gospel, I'll bring it. Like recently in ebye shongoro bibiri kimone cha gospel ekindi neche sente.
Okay. Trust nyekanga ariko wa trust because riri izina niri kunteganisa. Orienzarwa yankai. Where are you born from?
Ndio Mnyambara. I am from here in Bara. Okay. My parents are around, my siblings are around. Nanye ndio wa ndio Nkoro.
City born echaro chanyo necho mumbara room. Okay. Music industry ji wajimara mubwire ki?
Music industry abantu bingi bakunda kugira ngo I started singing when I was in nursery school. Abamwe bagira ngo mwene omuntu yatandikire kunda music ngira ngo abamwe heba kuteka tekera ngo that's when I started singing. But I believe korota kumanya cyeshongoro cyanje utakutine naho kumanya ndiyo ninye Prizo Trust ndiyo ninye ndakutandika kweshongora kweshongoro buke so nimpamyanti ebinkora ebimbere ninkora behind curtains mbe ningezaho kuronda ekindabaretera abantu so bright baranyakire of course ntubatu atandika kweshongora
hata atebiriye byeshongoro
we cannot say I've been in the industry for this and this time when people don't actually know me. Mbaza kugira nti mbere ningezaho kweshongora for at least 2 years konka kubaranya accepting then we become artists.
Okay. Okay, taya kapera akecheshongoro chimwe ari ebyo bibiri ebyeshongoro byoyine
ebyeshongoro bibiri ebinyine
Give us a cappella sample.
Ekishongoro kimwe nibacheta omunene nature gospel music. Ekishongoro ekyo I write the music that I sing myself personally and the writer. So all the music that you're going to be hearing nimbanje handi chire. So nkandi aho nafuna writing yo munene like the big ngokwa kugira ngo muhango. Yeah. Buri omwe natera masimu kakubari yo mukizibu. Even when you are happy, you call those best friends. Nange ninayo kukido change ninayo chali wange. So nimpamyanti nanye. Ninayo muhango wanje. Konko wanje nyine ni mukama. So the song is there is someone above all the big ones that we normally call. And for me I say that is God. So vana nagamba waliwo munenoli asinga banene. Oli ngamba ya singa banene abeita banene abachiro bunene abeita banene abachiro bunene waliwo munene oli ya singa banene akokeka chorus. Okay. That's the chorus. And I write in every language that comes that suits the song. Tindi hongu ni pandikoro nyankore ningo ruzungu ruonka ningo ruganda ruonka no. The language that suits the song is what I go with. So in Mishoko Nokura, finally is a final say. Eramuka mabikola finally. Finally is a final say. Eramuka mabikola. Budira, okera kumachanga tolina chori na buri wetsabe sale wa muka mufuna final say. Ono do nyagaba chida rwali na buri chimo bura mumukwaseze ngambate where you say. Kati ntandi say this is what I have to say. Bagamba yesi no other could tell you no. Ntandi say.
Wow!
So
you're trusty. Ochagera. Yes. Okay. Prizo Trust. Ogambye nti ojja tubuulira emyaka gy'omaze mu music industry n'ebiddako byonna ng'abantu bakwaniriza. Mbadde njaga kubuuza ne bizibu ki? Ne bizibu ki by'okushanga ninga oyina ebizibu biwaleebire omu kweshongora okwo?
Ebizibu ninka business nk'ezindi zona. We find problems every day. Echo kuteka in actual sense tuko kukikuba abamwe ati tukitwabeshongoza bikutandika kweshongora no teka echo shongoro cyawe cyo kubanza ni hit urya nakavimbo ogura nebitakweta unnecessary expenditures nebintu byinji problems ni nyinji konka like any other business. I believe life is the same in all aspects. Nkoko wakutandika eduka lyawe lyamate ninga miss diary ninga beverage store. It's the same way like music business. The same way like anyone would start a school, anyone would start any shop or any other business. There are very many challenges, positive and negative. Yeah.
Okay. Again.
By the way, sorry, ndakutoza kujya konkati ndakugirengu ndebire bizibu bingi nakuja nibo buntanchire kweshongora. So everything that I meet now is just an experience. Echimbire ntakumanya ndiyo ninyega.
That's good. Hati ebyo byeshongoro byokuhandika wagira nti ye songwriter no handikira n'abantu abandi ninga no ihandikira wenka. Do you do it as a business?
No. I'm still writing for myself. Kuyaho tinkutomero muntu twantu akora nk'ekeshongoro hamwe collabo. Nare barukwena kumuterezamu ni muterezamu. Konkati kahandikire muntu no. I just have friends that I do songs with. We write together. Yeah.
When no yachira collabos, do you like doing collabos with artists?
Collabo kan chendango radio mahanga. Chendo radio muntu wa man collabo by the way. If anyone there sees me and is interested in my art, arukwenda tukore hamwe. You are welcome, but there are conditions. You don't just come. No basa kujati nkesa hankeji projects ibiri that are already in circulation, and I have one in pipeline. So ninza kubani tuzaho. So it depends on how we coordinate. You know muntu orukwenda collabo wakata maybe sentence yezo na buri chimwe and then goes. It depends on how people come, and I cannot speculate about that. But for now I think a collabo deserves should be from a person who is a bigger artist than me. So think abire jo level ya umuntu kugira ngo anshabe collabo shana wekare achino muntu orukukireba ngo yes, but I don't think no, not yet.
Konka amweshongoza aliyo kwari kutureba would collab benefit ne basa collab kuyamba wo mweshongozi kumutungura.
Collab should be actually collab kabire eri emirundi nkebiri eshatu actually. One, odine munywani wawe you are at the same level and you are struggling to get a song that would take you there. If we wajira ngutwaye guitar, we can be what we want to be. That one we can allow. The second collab should be, or you know, let's say class or maybe level. You are in a certain level or kwenda kurgaho or yonjere hidara. You touch kanye Prizo kanko na a certain artist. Think my version was binji konka or kunchizaho. Chinyambe ho to add numbers on my numbers. I think to help me grow. That is when we should be doing a collab. And if we use those approaches, of course it would be beneficial. Konka abantu binji nabaine ebyeshongoro nkamukaga asaba collab ori yabo kubanga ine ekyeshongoro kibonire with no good intentions. Like kokuna nkuzire nyuma. Like any other business, wachiro mukashesho kakoro mudara gwenyanya with no intentions abo kuyango ine emitwaro 50 shortly ni gwakugwa. Because you don't have something that drives you to go take care of it every day. So ntwa kubantu kureba nko muntu oru passinga time abo kujango ine maka sente. Konka hino muntu oru kubana driving at way to success afune mochi yafunam for the future. No shangaru kononda collab for intentions of development and growth. Nemu yamba in one way or the other. Yeah.
Okay. No basa kuhaburota omwana omuntu wena aliyo music. So fe yatandikire jane ya music nkiwe kuwatandikire jane ya music but iwe no giranti to ine challenge you warebire. So experience you warebire, you've said you've got experience instead. Experience ichi you warebire that ogomwana someone who is joining the music industry yakubasa kwegeramu niche chikwegisa what has this experience yakwegise ki experience age
ekinyagire so far just to be calm esente no basa kubozina konkati kwetagisa mnonga kida kuhono kolaki just be people's person konkana bwenye nda kubahabura mubeni mu mwampabura nyoti nyine binkumanya mnonga nimbahabura mumpabure nyege because I don't know a lot ati nyo muntu tino hiteru kutera mbara nimpabura antabantu Ninebo chongoro wanje ruonire konkani nyenda kubura aterere bwaza jo mulayini ni kubahaburaje konka nabahabura nabo nimbahamiza mwampabura niza kuba mushija murungi omukozi murungi kandi omusigazi w'emicwe so nimbahabura mumpabureje ahindaremero
mwani we no shabo buhabuzi iwe to ine byo kuhabura abakuture
nimbahabura
okay
kumpabura
ina social media handles
zine almost all social noreba one otandika question ngola buri social media platform nono endogizeo so nyoni zine buri hamwe hariho Prizo Trust you waza Facebook tahum Prizo Trust, TikTok Prizo Trust, Instagram simanya X simanya biha Prizo Trust everywhere. Okay. But mostly my music is on YouTube. Ninyenda I think God willing it's not okay kugambe pamba byawe. But God willing ninyenda kumonetizing music yanje before mid this year. Okay. On media social media budgetabata music distribution platforms. Yeah.
Okay. Tukhendera abakunda music yawe no basima like na nyenda obasime abakwagira hamwe na your friends obagire ba following music yawe
abokubanza ba DJ Jitere DJ ninyende jebe bumshata esente tuzirye tushemererwe mpaka atakumanya kuzinareka kurubata vibe yanje utajishisha niyo sapa welmise yonjezo ruyombo selecta tugwambuse muchidongo vibe pateno palapase abana bashashure mwana bo betare welmise akona ka DJ akafani ba girlfriend ba ex na bote bari konka girlfriend bano nkunaniza kugira nti siri gwadi do rulangira mu walandi bwa bulijjo wabula nkusubizo mu kwano gonga gwafujo ngabetwa mu kisenge mu warebera ntujjo batukotulaba bakaita katijo nganze nawe baby tubanga mumbwa kulujjo nja kuwembeja obenga mumbeja tina abasobose mu wala ogenda kugeja kuba nkusubiza togenda kuba na muchala mujja bote love ya fe kungwe almighty ja.
Okay.
Kati badadi badda ando haye mzemba kona ko buli omu.
Okay.
Inamebo nkakuhandika no bikora bakumpere 1 liter big up to you abandi bona no bahita oryo wakabye zambyo nabyo kabihika akamoto kakalungi newerekereza chips ne pizza byo no fisa ticket ne visa byo ne bita tata fizo sasule kubupande katino kwensiba obuyimbo bakabigwe nkasuka zi business okogwe ninjuguta ninye katabani kanyu badadi tucheyongerayo ngambi mulalane ba students body osoma oli hustler oli ku street okanonyamu you need hope but the only hope is finally is a final say era mukama bikola finally is a final say era mukama bikola ulida okera kumachanga tolina chorina budulo sale wa mukamufuna final say ono toni agabachira bali na buli kimobula mu mukwaseze ngamba ti weju say ntandi say this is what I have to say bagamba yes no other could tell you know kati ntandi say this is what I have to say bagula oluji no other could shut it up.
Okay.
Nkwongere. And big up on yourself if you love Prizo Trust good music. I'm trying to build a label. I believe if God gives me some money because my dreams are big, I want to do a label. Hinechi ntochabere chiryo mu Uganda ukaushanga Dion Island innovation ngozi nka 20 oshanga ka Firebase konko mbara tichirumu
label nichi wa chitaminga jo mu Runyankore
music label no kushanga ngu oinenka musical group Leon Island, big talent, Firebase, that is a music label.
Mbala
Tuchirum. So mine is called Trust Good Music. So Trust Good Music, I think I am the first one. God willing, mutuna kungita habandi, mukama na kungita habandi, but I believe mukama yampe sente. Nanye nkabesho ngozi banje nkama 12. Mbara ntujitere myaka nkama 12.
Okay, oine manager.
Went and the question.
What time?
You wanted to just stop on take over management.
Okay.
Manager what would be the work of a manager? Why would I need a manager? For instance, one part
okuteka musente.
Ba manager no jamu bata musente. Ndaba kushango ine hiti.
Tambuzi.
No reba hati nkebe bite bitukorebyo. Nibitade nibigeza ku building nka manager na ndarebe akureba NTV na ndakureba big media station then you can after making it that is why I believe that is why you see most fights around town in the industry even tokureba nakuja life is the same in all aspects no reba no graduating after 20 years of school or ondomurumo in a big company in your country bakujira they need 6 years of experience and you're fresh after 20 years. So what do you think? So na manager nana endo muntu orikuria so it but I believe we will be there.
Okay. Okay, mbwen tukwendera. I think ebimwe wagira you're starting up. Mbwen nebuzo byanshobera. Ahoko wangira you're just experiencing nanye nakoma experience nenzira munenfa. Ninyenda kumendeza. Izo barungi konka tukwendera. Niwe nobasa kwendeza abantu bawe izo barungi.
Yeah, I wish my followers think makubikinde nabashize, but however many you are, however little you are, I thank God for your lives, for supporting, following, liking, commenting, and always downloading and sharing. Big up on yourself. All social media platforms, Ninya Prizo Trust.
Prizo Trust. Not easy. Ndasigara ndi Joan, station name Ankole Media TV. Mwebale kutukunda, mwebale nokutu subscribing, and thank you so much. We appreciate. Bye bye.
Ankole Media niyo yonka yokushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Ankole Media vira Ankole.